Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Sonic Racing CrossWorlds error code 120. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play the game, and it mainly appears right after getting the game when trying to get started. According to our research, this is mainly a server-related issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. To do this, shut down your device and unplug your router from the power outlet. Wait for a few minutes, then restart both. After that, check if you need to update the game, and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then the servers may be unstable. In our research, it was shared that the servers were unstable for the last hour, so you should wait for some time. You can also refer to your gaming console service status. If you are playing on a PlayStation console, then visit status.playstation.com and check the PSN service status. In case servers are down, then you should wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.